This looks yummy. I'm excited. I mean, cover girl. Okay, share and reflect results of hypothesis testing in R. Practice with R. Okay, so what I've been doing with school, for statistics, for me, it's similar to coding where my brain really doesn't speak that language. Like I can tell that my brain needs to be rewired for that. So now that we have ChatGPT or Grok or Cloud, like whatever you use, I like to ask it, explain this to me like I'm a 3-year-old, and I found that that's really helpful. Dilemma. It is 3 p.m. and I've been at it since 1 p.m. and I'm gonna be at it until 6 p.m. So I just wanna get through this. I might go on a 5-minute walk, but it has been pouring. It's disgusting outside. I got so much shit to do. Okay, let's get to it. So I just watched a video from Nana Florence. I think that's how you pronounce her name. And I'm gonna take this off. And she has been off YouTube for probably 1.5 to 2 years, and she's one of the reasons why I started YouTube. And she was diagnosed with cancer 1.5 years ago. So she's been off the platform. People have been like wondering where she was, what's going on. And I watched her video and I was like, I love that she's back, and she's just like, this is the video, this is what it's gonna be. And it got me thinking that I've been MIA for about 1 year pretty much of not posting consistently because obviously life also got in the way. And I miss vlogging, and I'm seeing a lot of people that I used to watch come back on YouTube. And I'm like, is there a revival situation happening? I'm here for it. I have a lot more to catch up on. The apartment looks a lot different from the last time I filmed. Also, that's my medal for the 5K. And tomorrow's the Boston Marathon, so I'm gonna see if I have time to go watch people, but I have a few meetings, so I may not be able to. But hopefully in this video, I want to show what I've done to the apartment. I ordered a few things today, and that's that. So we're at 5 minutes. I'll chop this up, and this is me getting back into YouTube and just diving in, because why not? Okay, here are my upgrades. Don't mind my race weekend banana, but he finally put these 2 things up that I got when I worked at Anthropology. And then I have this lamp here, which is chargeable with a magnet battery, and it looks so good. And then in the kitchen, I have backsplash and motion detector lighting. And we couldn't decide if we should add the top or if this looks like good. I don't know yet, I can't decide. And then this, I think I need to bring to the cave because I don't know where to put it. It's very complicated to hang up, and I'm gonna get, hopefully soon, a piece of storage here and get rid of this guy because this was a temporary situation. I really don't like it. And that way all of these extra things can go in here, including this. This bag I get a compliment every single time I wear it, multiple times a day. So those are the updates. Okay, so I'm studying for statistics, which is by far like the one class I'm slightly worried of because my brain just doesn't work that way. And I'm working in R or R Studio. If anybody knows how to utilize this, honestly, go you. But I just ran a bunch of formulas and it's so insightful. So I work in project management. So I'm gonna clean up the apartment, make it presentable so my family can come over, get the dining table ready. I have a lot of work to do for school. Tomorrow is Monday. I have my onboarding call with HR. I can't believe that I got this job. I think I went on a walk with my mom yesterday and we were both clearly in shock because I was laid off and in like 10 days I landed in, I think, under 2 weeks. I think it's either 10 to 13 days was the time that it took to get the other role. And I mentioned this already in another clip probably, but it was an 8-round interview with like a case study, an exercise, a group interview to meet the entire team. And I had to, it wasn't me. It was you know who, but it wasn't me. Anyways, I just showed up. So yeah, time to clean up. I don't remember how to vlog. I haven't vlogged in so long, but we're gonna get through it. We're gonna get through it. We have a new job, which is why we're breaking out because we've been stressed. That was the most intense interview process of my life, but I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be, and I believe that. I would love to know in the comments where you're from and what you do, because I'm such like a weird YouTube situation where I'm not a YouTuber. I just do this for fun to record memories, but like I really enjoy doing it. And now that I'm in between jobs, I have 3 weeks where I can hopefully vlog a little bit more and see where people are from. So let me know where you're from in the comments. I just said like, what the hell? Wow. And if you don't have curly hair, it's normal if your hair is straightened that your hair doesn't look the same because your curls curl differently. So welcome to my world. Anyways, I'm doing so many things. Like I booked my mirror dry. This is what happens when you don't have a vacation for a few years and you're like, wait a second, I've been slacking on everything. I need to catch up. So this is me catching up. And tomorrow I'm doing face and neck, mainly because I have tech lines, which I did not know were genetic. I thought they were from doing weird things like that, or the way I sleep, because I sleep like I'm a 6-month-old, like one leg over the other and like all over the place. So, but the shine, I mean, cover girl. But yeah, it's a different person when I have straight hair. I'm like, anyways, that's it.